Hello, welcome to this market strategy hub. Here I'm going to show you how to do option selling for beginners. This is Opstra strategy builder. Right now market is at 24,469, and if you think market is bearish, that means if you think market is about to fall or is very negative sentiment, then this is how you have to do. I choose 24,500 call. That is one lot. Here I will choose under expiry date. That is expiry date. Instead of 30 March, I will choose 10 March. This is 10 March, weekly expiry. So I'm a little bit bearish, so I choose this one, 24,500 call. And the premium I paid is 207.85. 207.85 into one lot is equal to 65 quantity, so it comes around margin is small here. Probability of profit is 65.07. My max profit is 13,510, that is 6.68%. Max loss is undefined, it means unlimited. Max loss is in this trade is unlimited. It can be more than 100%, I don't know. Break even is 24,707. Break even comes to here 24,707. What it means is here I choose 24,500 call. So as long as market sustain below 24,500 call at expiry, I'm going to make 6.68%. But when it crosses this level, 24,707, I'm going to incur loss. So this is the logic. Net credit is 13,510.85. Excuse me. Estimate margin premium I use is 2,0258. Positional delta is negative 48.7. Theta is 3,545.7, and gamma negative 0.07. Vega is negative 898.62. So this is call side option selling. Let me change this to put side. Let me go to put side. This is put. We'll take the same expiry day, strike price, and this is PE. So if a trader thought market is going to go up, he thinks market is long, then this is how you have to do. Choose 24,500 PE, one lots, that is 10 March, weekly expiry. At premium of 251.2, probability of profit is 64.15%. Max profit is 16,328, that is 9.74%. Max loss here too is undefined, that is unlimited loss. It can be 100%, it can be 20%, it can be 200%. Break even comes to 24,249.0. Here the logic is as long as market trade above this level, 24,500 level, at expiry, a trader will earn profit of 9.74, but if it crosses 24,500 level, his profit will start decreasing, and when it crosses this 24,249, that is break even, a trader will incur full loss. Net credit is 16,328. Estimated margin premium is 1,67,571. This is positional delta 51.12. Delta is 386 3,086.51. Gamma is negative 0.07. Vega is negative 898.32. So this is it. If you like what you see and if you want to learn more, do hit like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching.